Welcome back to this week's episode of Active Recovery Sunday. It's 5 to 1 in the morning and me and Paula are just getting ready to go do a big trek. So I'm going to take you along the journey. Here we go. So that's us here at base camp, about to go and do an active volcano hike. So we start at 3:36 and then we trek up, takes about 2 hours, and then we stay up there for about an hour and a half watching the sunrise and then head back down. So stay tuned. Open the signage up, see what's in it.
Which?
See what's inside the signage.
There's nothing inside.
There is. There's spread or something on it. So doing this volcano trek, we done this 3 years ago, and honestly it was one of the coolest things I've ever experienced in my life. Like, can't wait to show you what it's like up the top, but just like how, like just looking up the volcano, like the hill just now, there's just a line of lights all the way. It's quite hard to see in the camera because it's pitch black, but I'll try and show you now. Aye, we're probably only about half an hour in, and just some of the stuff you see on the way, like tomatoes, onions, cabbages, like, it's fucking so cool. Just trekked up this active volcano, took us about 2 hours, got picked up at 1 o'clock in the morning, about an hour and a half, 2 hour drive to here, and the views are just fucking spectacular, man, look. Got loads of shots with the drone and stuff. Like, this sort of shit is the stuff I fucking live for, man. I love it. Doing mad activities is one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. I done it 3 years ago and I was just blown away. It was a perfect clear sky, got a perfect sunrise. It was a bit cloudy this morning, but wow, man, like, I picked doing this shit over anything, honestly. Take you here and show you the wee fucking monkeys. Monkey madness. Look at that, man. You get this sort of shit in Scotland, and that's what I can't wait to get back to. Go try and do a hill once a week. You get all this shit in Scotland, man, and people don't take advantage of it. Got some of the most beautiful scenery ever in Scotland. Ben Nevis, Ben Lomond, all the Munros, like, they're fucking amazing. So I can't wait to get back, and it's going to be summertime. Last time I done Ben Nevis, it was in the fucking middle of winter, nearly died. So looking forward to doing that when I get back. now for the hard bit. Walking down. All is struggling.
Lovely.
Thank you, thank you.
Good job. Like piece of rock is so slippery, right?
Thank you.
Oh, Speedy Gonzalez. Everybody's knees are fucked fucking doing the hill backwards. Paula, watch it. Paula, watch it.
But don't eat. Eat. Okay. My baby is dead.
Yeah. This is a fucking life. Do you love your job?
Hmm?
Do you love your job?
Yes.
Best job in the world.
I will. I'm strong. Oh.
Yeah, very fit. Very fit.
Okay.
And you get to see this beautiful nature all the time.
Yeah. Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
I will need to job more. For my.
Nearly at the bottom. Fucking what a day, what a morning, what a night, what fucking everything. Loved every second of it. Knees are fucking killing me. Feel like I've ran a marathon, but we keep on going. Hello. Thank you, brother.
Oh yeah, okay.
Have a nice day. Thank you very much. So that's us just came back down, finished the hike. It is 9:25. How did you find it?
A lot harder this time around.
Aye.
But
How's
the
your
thing
legs?
is, my knees are killing me. It wasn't as cold, so that's a bonus. I actually enjoyed it at the top.
Aye. And the last time we were here, it was absolutely freezing. Paula didn't have the right clothing on. Go to this hot springs and then go and get a massage because our legs are fucked. Feel like we've run a marathon, and then it's half price sushi on a Sunday, so we've got to go and fill our bellies with that later. So that's us back. Just had a quick shower, straight back out, and we're here at one of my favourite spots in Canggu, Sashimi. Like before I came travelling this year, I wasn't really into sushi, but I'm fucking loving it. I'm just gonna eat this and then go and get a massage. Wow, sushi, sushi. Time to go for a massage now, here we go. Best massage place in Canggu. Come here 2 times a week. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Bali. Perfect way to start the week. Get up, go and get something to eat, get some coffee, then start the day. So yesterday, straight after the massage, I just went home and fell asleep. I think the walk took its toll on me and the lack of sleep from the night before. So just going to get something to eat, get ready for a good week. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll catch you in the next one.